Replacing your key fob battery often breaks the connection between the fob and your car. This happens because the fob's memory, which stores the unique codes needed to communicate with your vehicle's security system, can be temporarily erased when the power is removed. Reprogramming, also known as resyncing or relearning, reestablishes this connection, allowing your key fob to lock/unlock doors, start the engine, and activate the alarm. While newer, high-end cars are automating this process, many vehicles still require a manual procedure. First, make sure your car is unlocked and everything is off. Have your new battery ready. CR2032 is a common type. Next, cycle the ignition. Insert the key or press the start button and turn it to the on position for 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this 3 to 5 times to enter programming mode. Then, activate the fob by pressing specific buttons like lock or unlock within 10 to 30 seconds. Finally, confirm that the fob works by testing the lock and unlock functions. If you have multiple fobs, repeat the steps for each one. Note that some vehicles require using an OBD port or a smartphone app for reprogramming. Always refer to your vehicle's owner manual for specific instructions to avoid damage. If you're unsure, consult a professional.